Good day. Tutorial on for beginners. Microsoft Excel. To start as a beginner, you select Home menu. You click on New Workbook. So have a blank book here. So the books are made up of cells. Individual cells. You have cell. These are the cells. So the columns are made are labeled A, B, C, D, while the rows are being numbered 1, 2, 3. So you enter your data in cells. For example, let's enter student grades, name, and the second column, let's make it score. So you can increase the width size by resizing the width, the column for the name, and let's leave this. So let's block it to be able to format it. Let me use this line border to format it. I can select the first column, boldface it, if possible. Increase the font size, change it to, so that's a simple way to format. Then let's enter name, about 5 name, Ade, Bola, John, King, Mark. You can stop for this. So once you enter any data that is labeled, it will be at the left side. It will be left justify. While number figure will be right justify. Go to the right. You go to the right aspect of the cell will be right justify. So you need to understand the basic operations, the uses of, that's how to enter cells. Then you use how to drag. You need to understand it. Then you need to understand the basic arithmetic sign. What I mean by basic arithmetic sign: plus, minus, multiplication sign, and divide. For example, let's sum this. Let me apply. Let me sum it using plus, open bracket. I'm trying to use the. This is the cell B1 plus cell B2 plus cell B3 plus cell B4 plus cell B5. So you can add bracket it. I've added it all. If I want to find this, let's enter it first. This is the total sum. If I want to find the, let me write sum. For me to find average that is equal to the total divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is sum of 5. We have 5. This set of data, it will give us the average. So that's a simple way to to enter data into the cells, to format. Let me put it at the center this column, and at the same time let me format this. So to enter so I've formatted it. So thank you very much for the short tutorial.